Good morning, students. Today we are learn about quadrilaterals. It is a very basic topic. Quadrilaterals. Student, the Hindi meaning of quadrilateral is चतुर्भुज. It is a very simple term to understand the meaning of it. The meaning of it is चतुर्भुज. Chatur means four and bhuj means sides. It means a closed figure which have four line segments, or you can say that a polygon, because the quadrilateral is also a part of polygon which have four sides. Then you can say that the definition of quadrilateral is a polygon which have four line segments. Okay. Quadrilateral, a polygon which have four line segments. Is called quadrilaterals. It's called quadrilateral. Student, it is very easy to understand that a polygon, एक बहुभुज which have four line segments, जो चार रेखाखंड जो है अपने अंदर सम्मिलित रखता हो, चार रेखाखंड से मिलकर बना हो, उसे चतुर्भुज कहा जाता है, क्वाड्रिलेटरल कहा जाता है. स्टूडेंट, नाउ वी मेक द डायग्राम ऑफ क्वाड्रिलेटरल. द फिगर ऑफ क्वाड्रिलेटरल is very easy to understand. This figure is have four line segments, 1 2 3 4. Then it is a quadrilateral. This is also a quadrilateral because it have four line segments. And next one, this is also a quadrilateral because it have four line segments. It is also a quadrilateral because it have four line segments. It is also a quadrilateral because it have four line segments. Then you can say that every figure which have four line segments closed, every closed figure which have four line segments, we can call it quadrilateral. Student, now the next term is types of quadrilateral. Types of quadrilaterals. First of all, in this series, first of all, the quadrilateral which made by us is a parallelogram. Parallelogram. Student, the Hindi we know parallelogram is समानांतर चतुर्भुज। समानांतर चतुर्भुज। What is the definition of it? I explain the definition of it by point, and you can easily understand the all points. First of all, we make the diagram of parallelogram easily. Student, this is the figure of parallelogram. What is the properties of the parallelogram? I explain you point by point. Look at the board carefully. First of all, as the name of figure, parallelogram means the opposite side of the given figure parallelogram is parallel. First point is opposite sides are parallel. And equal. The opposite sides are parallel and equal. Okay. Next one. The opposite angles are equal. Then you can say that this angle named by A, B, C and D. The first angle A is equal to the opposite angle of A, C. Then A equals to C and angle B equals to angle D. Okay. Opposite angles are equal. Opposite angles are equal. Next property of quadrilateral is that diagonals of a quadrilateral parallelogram are bisect each other, means intersect each other at midpoint. Diagonals are bisect each other. Okay. Next property is adjacent angles. Angles are supplementary. Adjacent angles are supplementary. What is the meaning of adjacent angles? Then the meaning of adjacent angles is this angle and this angle. Then these angles are angles which made on a common line segment are known as adjacent angles. Then the sum of adjacent angles are supplementary. Means supplementary means the sum of these angles are 180. Okay. You can write the name A, B, C and D. Then angle A plus angle B equals to 180 as according to this. angle A plus angle B equals to 180.